Hey everyone, welcome to another Sheet Director video. I'm excited to introduce a new Google Sheets feature that allows you to combine the data from multiple spreadsheets into a single spreadsheet. Let's take a look at one of the use cases. Inventory management. A company has several warehouses, and each one keeps track of its product information. By using the Consolidate Service feature, we can combine product and pricing information from various warehouses, specifically for items priced over 1,000, based on whether they have been shipped or not. Let's now examine the Consolidate Service for inventory management. Here, I have two spreadsheets wherein both the spreadsheet contains sample data on inventory management. This includes product ID, product name, quantity, price, discount, location, and status. Let's now explore the steps to set up or configure. Click on Extensions of your Google Sheets, Start Sheet Director, opt for the Google Sheet application. To consolidate data from multiple spreadsheets into a single spreadsheet, I will name the service the Inventory Management Service. Next, I will choose Consolidate as the service. Then, I will set up the spreadsheet from which the filtered data is to be consolidated for Sheet 1 and Sheet 2. I will then choose the sheet titled Inventory Warehouse 1. And then I will choose the sheet tab as Warehouse 1. Next, I will specify the matching conditions, which can either be all or any. I will choose price as the field name, set the operator to greater than, and enter the value as 1,000. Then, I will click Add Filter to include another condition, selecting status as the field name, choosing the operator equals, and setting the value to shipped. Similarly, I will choose another spreadsheet and follow the same steps. I will select the designation sheet as Inventory Management. Finally, I will click the Execute button to run the service. Once completed, the data will be successfully transferred to the selected designation sheet from the two sheets based on the filtered conditions. Visit the Sheet Director website and give it a try. You'll be delighted with the experience. Dive into its powerful features and see how it can streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tutorials and tips.